In this video, we'll introduce you to LEXA, your AI assistant designed to enhance every part of your workflow, from contract and document management to case analysis and compliance. LEXA helps you identify key risks, ensure compliance, analyze clauses, summarize lengthy documents instantly, translate and refine text. Accessing LEXA. LEXA is available across multiple modules, Practice, Contra, and the general LEXA chat. To open LEXA, click the LEXA icon at the top right corner of the screen. This opens the general LEXA window. Before submitting a prompt, make sure to select the jurisdiction you want LEXA to follow, such as the US, UAE, Turkey, or France. If you don't choose a jurisdiction, LEXA will apply a general legal framework. Using general LEXA. LEXA includes data insights and document analysis sections with ready-made prompts to help you quickly summarize matters, cases, contacts, or hearings, summarize, analyze, or translate documents. Just use the search bar at the top to quickly look up any prompt or action you need. Example, summarizing a matter. Select the relevant action from the Data Insights section. Search for the record by name or ID. LEXA generates a clear, bullet point summary instantly. Working with documents. Select Summarize, Translate, or Analyze. Upload your file or drag and drop it into the field. LEXA processes the document and returns tailored results. You can always create your own prompt by typing directly in the chat and attaching any supporting files. Using LEXA within a module. To use LEXA directly inside a contract, matter, or litigation case. Open the record you're working on. Click LEXA's purple icon near the record name. This opens a tailored version of LEXA, aligned with the specific record. You can set the jurisdiction. Use predefined prompts and quick actions, example, summarize contract notes, list contracts awaiting approval or signature, access the document analysis section with prompts for file-based analysis. When using a document prompt, select a predefined option such as summarize contract, highlight key risks, check for compliance, etc. Upload a file or import from the record. LEXA will display all attachments linked to the contract. Choose one from the Records Attachments tab. Run the prompt to receive instant results. You can continue using different prompts within the same chat or move to the Ask LEXA tab to type a custom request and attach additional files. Quick access from attachments. You can also open LEXA directly from the Attachments tab. Hover over any file and click the LEXA icon. LEXA will launch with that file preloaded. Choose a predefined prompt or type a custom request for immediate analysis. This makes document review even faster and more efficient. LEXA for text enhancement and translation. LEXA isn't just for document analysis, it's also your AI writing assistant. Whenever you're drafting notes, emails, or text fields, you'll see the LEXA icon in the editor. With one click, you can enhance or rephrase text, translate content into another language, improve clarity, tone, and professionalism. LEXA helps ensure your communication is polished, accurate, and consistent.